General, tell about them girl there, you know. That's top dog, you know.
You?
You must girl me a brother, so.
That wicked your mouth, bad.
Yo, it's a brown in there coming. Forward, yeah. I try thinking and see what I go on, cause yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But I just go on like everything is smooth because I don't know I go already, you know? Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, yeah, I feel have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You know, make no sense. You know, run up and down with them bag of girl there.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there, cause long time she pretty. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she pretty, my brother.
Come on, say you're up.
Let's check it, brown, and I see what I go on. So you're up. Big up yourself, you know.
You see one big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big one. Cougar, Roga. It is what it is, brother. Bless up yourself. Bless up wife for me now. Alright. See inside. Alright, man has a respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of the sun, I never talk, man. It's a long time I see him. You know what I mean? Woo-yo, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you, you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean? Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean? So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. We're not rush you, we're not force you. It's just happen. You know what I mean?
You
Yeah.
look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen.
Want to. Need
Get
it.
to the point.
I
Yeah?
need it. I need it in my life. But tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point, you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just make me know if, you know what I mean, we can get started. Because I'm going to take care of it. I talk about take care, but I talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, son. Hold on there. You really think somebody would want you?
Me?
Fi do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you would penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
I'm forget.
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have did long time. You forgot to me, you woman a friend. And you come and look me. Man like you, me not do it. Cause you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talk about massage and one if or something. You explain my problem them to you. Don't bother with it.
So you really put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
You both can excel to the next step.
Come on.
No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure say me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say and me done say what I say. Just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir?
My body you want to cut
No, man, that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On your yard. Mama.
Afternoon.
How you doing? Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Thank God, I'm just a pass of me. I'm see him half a turn back. I don't know what I mean. Something that strike my eye, you know? So. Something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! So lady come like she hot like a fire. What about mama? Everything alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
Come back to water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something, a minute more. You know, me talk to you outside no more. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple in here?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here still, you know, I see how me can't tell me here for you and thing, you know what I mean? Like a strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for me, because, you know, means in a brother can take care of you.
So what on there? So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from, you know. You know what I mean? We can't have to start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till it.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
I have my woman too. What's up with the case so we can work out something?
You know say you's a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty.
This
It's
year?
a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, you know? Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water, yeah. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
Go on home to your woman.
Come good. I'm going to try food. You alright? Oh, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
Yeah.
Yo, you see me, you have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl? Yeah, man. Me girl like brother. The big girl is like me, you know.
Hey, get it. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie and down so. And me a sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl them this. That lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the area, general. See it? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Alright.
See, sir? What you mean? Pop me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make. You ever have icky pan and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough. Are the can you come?
Hey, so here we go on. Bop, bop.
Come on, the f*** on, come on. Chat about the buff.
My girl, that. A little more, we have a link up. There you go. You know what I mean? Go eat something, you know what I mean? Or... No, take a eat us. We can work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come buy me one bottle of water and then want to look me.
No matter that, man. You
Picking out something for someone special?
wanted to do something special, you know what I mean? Just to show a little sentiment, you know what I mean?
Showing this sentiment to a special lady?
Family.
Family. Okay. What do you think about this one here?
Well, yeah, yeah. It's nice. I think it will work. I think it can work.
Yeah?
I mean, thanks.
Nice
Thanks
to
for your
meet
help.
you.
All right?
Alright.
Bye-bye. Yeah, hello. Yeah, man, I'm trying to reach Miss Williams. Is she there?
This is not here at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
All right. This is Kemar. I'm trying to, let her know that I'm gonna be available for the appointment. And actually, I'm gonna be here a little bit early at the Matthews spot. Yeah.
Wait, did you say Kemar? Is that Kemar Scott?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So just let her know that I'm there and I'm gonna be waiting. All right.
Call Miss Williams and tell her the details so you guys can meet up. Okay?
Okay. Okay. No problem. Man. No problem. So you're gonna. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. All right. So I'm gonna be there early. Respect. All right.
Hello, Mrs. Williams. Kemar called. He said he will be at Matthews, and I've already left the documents in the car. Okay.
You have reached the voicemail box of
Hey, babes.
Hello? Terrence, where are you? I'm at Matthew's. About an hour now waiting on you.
Ah, swear. You know something just never remember. I get tied up in our business meet.
What do you mean by you forget? We had this date planned for how long now and you tell me say you forget about meeting? Come on, you have to do better than that.
I'm sorry about that, man. Honestly, I'm sorry.
What? Really? But then you're away to... Hello? Hello?
You know, I don't usually do this. This can't be like the last time, then. You need to take this serious, you know?
You know, let's let that woman know.
Don't worry about it. Soon left for her, man. I just don't want to just end it, so I want to kind of just take my time and ease her off a little bit. You see me?
How long? A full time now, you know. Every time I see him, I tell me over and over. A full time for you end it now.
I think you did understand the situation, you know. Honest to God, so I think you did understand the situation. Remember, so when you come, she there before, you know. She there before, so I at least have to just give myself a little time and give her a little time and then just take time, ease her off. You understand? So you just have to just wait. Just relax, man, and stop first. Just wait.
So it shouldn't be that hard, right? Thank you for taking the time out, because I really appreciate that you're busy and you take the time out for me. You know what I mean? I appreciate it.
Alright, me in a rush, so I have to go. So next Wednesday, 10 o'clock, my office. Don't be late. And make sure you have the assignment. Alright?
No problem, man. That's easy.
Good evening, sir. My phone died on me out there. By any chance, could I get a phone call from you, please?
No problem. You know what I mean? No problem. Sit there. Sit there.
Thank you very much.
Just press the thing and open it.
Yes, I know what to do.
Alright.
Yeah.
Because you enjoy sex, you know. But so I'll be yours.
I wish my mother could call me. But that's all she knows.
Hello? Samantha?
Hey,
It's Tori.
Tori. Walk one.
I'm on the road right now and I've just been having a terrible evening. Yeah, like, long story short, I got stood up again. So I'm just there wonder if I could have come over to your place and just relax a little for the evening. Like, I could just really use some girl time right now.
Girl, I know something at their home right.
Yeah, you're not at home? Alright, but you'll get there soon though.
No. Just give her around 15 to 20 minutes, man. Just finish up for me and do night turn and then I go home.
Alright, around that time, if I leave now, I can reach your place around the same time. Alright, thank you girl, thank you so much. Alright, soon leave out. Meet you there. Alright.
Yo, I go see if I can hurry up and cut before she reach because it's true story them have to make sense. Cause if you tell her say don't night town and me tell her somebody at work, that have to make sense. So I cut. Then
After I never expect her to stay until she come.
So come, tell the people what you do before the video start.
Alright, so people, you don't know.
But I tell a lie now. Can I go tell them what you do?
You don't know. They will make me do one lovey-dovey character what I don't want to do. And
What's that? I go on like you're nice. I never somebody don't want to go on there act. Anyways, people, when I go watch one video earlier this morning when me and Miss what's her name again?
Daniel.
Tara, Daniel. But I tried to do a little movie thing with her, but it didn't work out. So I just put all of the footage them together and show you.
People, it worked out. It worked perfectly.
You think so you are the writer? You shoot the movie same way.
But listen,
you are whatever
tell
character.
Me in the comments if you would want to play a character with you be.
When me?
Yeah.
Me I play one character.
It's not you. I know.
Me I tell her. Anyways, people, we get to the video earlier than this morning. But big up on yourself. So no friend Tara Troublemaker, I can't manage him. I don't know what you do it.
Oh.
How no controller I forget her for shoot. I wish move.
You cannot reach.
Oh, but you want to give me a problem though.
I could do it back over. I could do it back when I come back. I never do that back at party.
Yeah, we can do something different though. But yeah, watch earlier this morning, people. I know the nonsense and what.
I pose it.
Yeah. No, because she the writer, so right now for your video I pretties. So, this is your official interview, miss. What you do down here? You act no movie?
I don't know. I came down here to act one though, but my friend Akuna, she's I don't know what happened to her. So
Akuna real name?
Yeah.
Oh, Zine.
So at the moment she won't be in any movie, but you can look out for me. My name is Daniel Cross, not Daniel Crosa, like what them did put in the movie.
Crosa.
I don't know.
Hold on there. I don't know. By the way, people, hold on, let me see if I focus. By the way, people, that is not my fault. You see my video, me not focus. You sure so me not focus?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna take the camera and I'm doing a focus, a problem, you know?
You're in a focus.
Alright, morning people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. So, but I'll try to get one short film prepared for you guys, but characters, this and I don't know, so Lauren and no money, I pay them, so that. So, we are talking to Miss Crosa this morning.
My name is Daniel Cross, C-R-O-S-S.
Daniel
Not
Cross.
Crosa.
Come over that side, behind here, blown out.
Not Crosa. Not crosses. Is cross.
I like crosses though. Can I work with crosses for that video?
Daniel Cross. Anyway.
Tell me about yourself.
So, I'm Daniel Cross. I'm 16 years old. And I'm actress in training, modeler in training, everything in training.
Model, let me see. I never see a model yet.
Not right now.
Come.
Right now.
You say you're in a training.
Not right now. Me look like me not training right. You say tell me about yourself. Nobody never say me a model. Anyway.
But are you... Hold on there. I want you to tell me in the comments. Don't it when you're in a training, there has to be things, something where you must learn. Even on the first day.
Sir, me need to model in
miss.
heels.
You have a model in a heels?
Yes.
If no model ever listen to you and a foolishness you chat, me say.
Anyway.
So anyways, moving on.
Yeah. In the early future, I'd like... so in the early future, I might have worked for somebody, but over the... I not really look for the future right now, but in the
Where's
future...
that? Cross is your last name?
But in the future,
Hold on. Man, tell me about. Hold on, come here now.
come back.
Hold on.
A foolishness.
No,
A foolishness.
no. Hold on. No. You know, man, tell me about. Wait there now. Look here now.
I do nothing.
Tell me about high school. Tell me about high school. No? Where do you
high school.
where do you reserve and not talk to nobody and just stay by yourself and pass exam and all these things? Come out of the sun no. Come out of the sun, you're blown out this way, now I gotta show properly. Some people look like me draw out. She get draw out like shoes lace, so she don't bother want to talk to you again. She not even want to tell me about high school. But hold on there. You're not still there at school?
Exactly.
So how tell me how that work out? How that go on? Whoa.
School is school. School like every other school.
You see? I post it, you know, and you see you don't want to talk to your fans them.
I have supporters, not fans.
Are your supporters them?
So, make sure you cap out the foolishness part, them, you know.
Alright, no problem.
It me say,
Pink.
any you look on the video, I see
Pinky.
foolishness in there.
Pinky. Maybe I'll catch you in a focus. Pinky promise.
Nah, lad.
Look here, Boy, oh boy. You have to trust me, you know. People, when I really feel like, see yo, me, I go put nonsense in another video when nobody make. And I really think some of that. I'm not do that. Not do that, man.
Yeah, right.
Come here. From when you like acting, that we want to know. From when I like acting.
From a little.
You're still little.
Brighty.
I don't know how up to this, but from when you're little, like say you're still little.
Leave me alone.
Come talk to me now.
So
Like what? Me want to know why I think what inspire for say yo, me want to act. Like who you see.
Nobody me inspire myself.
So you never see nobody will do it before and like you say I'm rate out that person there?
myself in the mirror and myself say, when I act to myself and myself say, yeah, if you do good, I tell myself thanks and from then so I love it.
Alright, so hold on, no, yet. We not finished talk to you yet, man.
A foolish this now.
No.
You're foolish.
Hold on.
Move.
You're not even, remember, I know we still get a personality, you know, so present it to a good, please, thank you. So.
You saw your shake like your feet. Move.
I'm hungry, man. I need to go eat some breakfast.
Move there. Because you're not nothing sensible.
Alright, let us start over.
I'm not start over now.
Let us start over. Introduce yourself.
You must be mad.
Introduce yourself.
Start over. Come on, do a YouTube channel. I would do 2 hours.
What I go be about? Well, I just turn around the thing now, focus good enough. Come.
Me hold it. No, me want hold it.
We want to hold it for me. Hold it round for you. Yeah, we have the footage, my girl.
We had to lock it off now.
No, I don't want it lock off.
I don't bother do nothing.
You know what one couple channel that work with you? You can thank us. Come.
You touch me. Come out of my face. Come out of my face.
Miss Crosses, so.
Tell me that clip there now.
People.
Come out of my face.
See other people, Miss Crosses. Big up yourself. No, I want to. No, Jaja God. Come. I cannot manage them. I'll be laughing and going on now. I'm ready I know. Ready? Tyra. Ready?
And the time my name in this.
What's your name?
My guy name. Yeah, Chanel.
Chanel. Alright, Chanel. Come. No God.
In January, we judge his name.
No
And the
God.
Baptist.
My God. So that's it. John name, sir. Ready?
You're not change. You're not put no effort in changing.
I don't know me I go do. So, it's either you make a change. By the way, I'm tired for asking for make a change. Just cut it off and call it quits.
Here and now, everything works. Understand? You have to be patient. Just be patient.
Patient?
Yeah, patient.
I could have gone.
Chanel, everything I sort out. You just need to be patient, man. Just patient.
Patient? Patient? To a patient, maybe I could have end up in the hospital. You need to up your game, because it's very low. You're past L right now.
Babes. No, Janelle, call me by name.
Chanel.
Chanel, you look for me, I talk to you. Chanel, you know me know why I look at you. Chanel, that man tell her, say, everything is so sort out. Just hold on, man. And start move so strong now. Carry him so strong.
You said that yesterday. You said that the day before yesterday. You said that last week. You even said that last year for sure how long me I do this video. And right now, tired. It hurt me. It have to just done. No if, no but, no maybe. Just eat that. Sorry.
I know I don't say, no.
You see me I tell you? So you need to talk about the man belt in your pants and body and where your father say and all them sitting there.
Which father?
Because
what the father mommy it?
T's and P's, no worry about that man at the conversation now. You're gonna say, oh, how am I gonna introduce you to my father? You still left out there. I don't know, probably something about in pants and body are sitting.
So make him say something after that.
Alright.
Chanel, right now I don't even know. Right now I see them I start back at school. I start study for lawyer. I don't even know.
At home school?
Which home school I talk about? School. College I talk about.
Which college is that?
What do you mean which college that?
I ask you.
Manchester.
Oh, that's your first year.
So you know when I left me, you know, I'm going to change right now. Just give me a chance.
You can
please.
start
Please.
by change of your clothes.
You know.
You tell me about the school.
So you have to talk.
Are you just at them start by finding part where you tell me about the school?
Alright, help her out, say it. She could have done say it, but anyways. Help her out.
I talk about home school. Me I talk about home school because I talk about college. I got college.
Another thing say.
So you mean that me say?
You start from too late. Start from when you say I start go school, you not even know I start go school. So she go say for home school. Watch him.
Umi? I'm so giant, may I do something right now?
No, hold on, a school time? A school time?
Yeah.
School time? Go on to school.
Orientation is something I'm here for 5 years of my life now. Anyway, come.
Come go on to orientation.
I just do that shoot, you know?
See them I go to school and even know some I go to school.
Are they saying that?
Which school lad?
Which school lad? At home school?
No, babes. I'm not talking about home school. I'm talking about college.
Which college?
Manchester.
Yeah, business that.
I mean my business that.
Yo, that girl that cool and heartless, see man. Yo, I get one tough video out of this. You know, I get one tough video out of this. I go shoot the beginning of the conversation and then I can drop in the last interview I would do a while ago. Where you? Tara, Crosses. Chanel. You just hug up. Wonderful job, people. You just hug up your girlfriend and then say bye-bye.
Hug up in there. I'm gonna left him.
No, because I don't want to shoot this, you know, me tell us if I shoot it.
Shoot it, so what you talk about?
No.
Come a while ago.
No, me I say. Me want if you have some kind of consideration too. And look how man I take care of you.
Take care of who?
Yo.
You don't want to let me say you don't know good man. You don't know good man. I be a squash for you want in your life.
I'm tired. I want to do a different story now. I want you and him there. I want to no left.
That not look good.
It not make no sense.
I mean, not make no sense.
She just don't want there with nobody. No, no, sure. We're not kissing, we're not doing anything romantic, we're just talking.
So we can live after?
No, we're not laughing.
Why?
Because I don't have like the picture there in my head, so on the left. Yeah, I breathe for the man.
Oh,
You.
nah, do it now. You better wait till the girl come back.
I mean,
Alright,
nice
alright.
from belly.
Leg off for me.
Me cannot manage.
Let me go I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Big up yourself. You have a YouTube channel?
Mm-mm.
You have a YouTube channel? So me here talk about YouTube video.
Big up Richard Brown.
I just want to do a YouTube video.
You have to be consistent with them, something you have to do it all the time.
She don't have no YouTube channel. She don't want to make no money. So yeah, so just to have a YouTube channel, people might go over there and subscribe. Nice gun. You understand? Sometimes put on behind the scenes. BTS. Understand? Right now, I have a new video on there right now named Catfish and nothing good.
Catfish.
Yeah.
Alright, my boss.
So,
Anyways, later people, I will soon,
So
very
now
soon.
we have a girl.
Yeah, we are waiting for the girl. No, no, me not understand. People, broadman.
Character not fit me, man. That's why I said the other girl would have. Tara never love it, Dovey. Tara mind for your business.
Tara.
My name
You
Tara.
better like me. I'll call the girl Papa on me.
Come
you come
now.
back on her before I say like that.
But listen, alright, tell me if your story not sound good then, Zin.
Yeah, so we are left and then when after we left, him and my friend there. I mean, I have a problem.
And you and him friend there?
Yeah. You am no, him and my friend there.
No, how my dog go shooting now just because the other girl have something for go do. So that's why I can't. Because what my dog go do is make Broadman and the other girl there. She have one sugar daddy send her out early in the morning. But she can do what she do. So what my dog say now is you're pregnant for Broadman. No, Judge again.
Don't call me name.
No. No. No.
Come here.
Hey. Listen. Richard, Cree,
What you say, character now go fit you?
it nah go fit me, man.
You can't deal with nobody.
No.
In a no character. You can't have no boyfriend.
Just send me so warm to the part where you send me and Brown man left a while ago. Warm to that part then.
But just think, alright. Broadman, listen to this. Zin.
You just want me there with somebody.
No, that is not that. The thing is, forget one story where exciting or something where real, where true to life, you see me?
Yeah.
Cause, alright, when I say no, alright. You're tired of him, so you want to left him now. Say I make up some for full reason for break up with him. So, I don't know, probably, what are some of the things then? What are some of the silly reasons that my woman come up with?
Nah, no money. If not work,
Every
every day
day
get
I
a
have money. That's about me bleach, but the money buy spend
every
much
day
bleaching.
spending money on car white and bleaching powder.
Alright.
Skin, them suck me there.
I have money. That's about girl.
Alright, good.
full
So make sure you have to go. Alright, me tell her how to back up yourself still. So alright,
Brown man must know. Brown man must know him not for back up himself. Him and a batty man. When I argue with me for, him just a walk behind me and me a cause.
Hey, you're front argument in them.
No.
Yeah,
No,
like that. And that's how reality go.
No, me not say no.
Himself and argue with the woman.
But you assume my personality already. Because I'm not the kind of woman where I got to walk with. I'm not the kind of man. We're not going to make him out to be the kind of man where I run you down. We're not going to talk, we're not going to have a conversation. You see me? So when you cuss him about certain things, he's going to tell us when he can't work and him need time and da.
Fuck. A Jamaica you there? Nobody not no time for them work out and all of them.
So alright.
You ever see that in Jamaica? I must dream in Jamaica.
No. Hold on. So hold on. Tell more to tell me how the scene, direct the scene for me there.
Brother,
So-
the scene have to just flow out. We can't just start the scene and make it happen. It not go look good, it not go. It all look fake. Make it happen flow out.
So like, you ever text one man break up with him yet?
Oh, that come in.
No, me I try paint the picture of me and say, jeez and peas.
I know what when I do this.
Alright, how many minutes are you going to get out of?
Every minute.
Hold on, how many minutes are you going to get out of him a run it down? Like why it gonna be if you capture audience
Right,
if
so we are come from so our yard around the road we are come from. So we are me and argue from here so come back down here so. That not long.
And where am I say to you? Exactly.
So till the brown man just did a while, I said, I'm full of too much argument and want to lick me.
So, and that have about how much minutes?
That a good 5 minutes to go right from right there, so come here, so.
No.
Or
No. No.
Move now.
You see, you don't understand. You ever watch the other short films that Mama do? You need conversation. Right? You see, even though you say Jamaica this, like people are can relate to it because them do them things in a text messages and them kind of something there. So that is why we need to have one conversation. So you make you say, oh boy, and I like say, oh, you're vexed with him, and I say you're not gonna put that character there, you know, like say you're vexed and I cuss him out, you know.
Alright.
You're not that kind of a person. So I said to him, say, oh, you need for your argument is that you're gonna have so many things where you have issue with him. You understand? To the point where you're gonna say, oh, it's not gonna work out. You see me? And him just a try if you say, oh, him can't work on this, him can't work on that.
alright. We get it now.
Yeah. Whew. You ready now?
Ready like.
Alright, ready. We'll go, Pastor. Man, oh man. I don't know how much people make it this far, so yeah.
Okay, guys, it's a girl Tara again.
No, them just don't watch the heap of this, them just don't watch the so
Yeah, it's a girl Tara again, people. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and hit the what?
Mama, you can't deal with me like how you deal with them. Why you can't deal with me, so?
The notification bell.
Oh,
Blessings
yeah,
and
blessing.
peace.
Okay.
Out again.
No, we're out, gone off. I'm not talk to them yet. So, when you see somebody difficult to them, I mean, although you have fun when you do it same way, but after you don't do the they realize you want to hold day done and you get nothing done. But the end of the still morning, so we can go out those time.
Yeah, after 11 now. At 11.
But you say you're not breed.
Nah, breathe.
You're not
Stay
there with
safe,
nobody.
People, stay safe. Women, don't breathe.
And you're not
Don't
there with
allow
nobody.
pregnancy afloat through the air.
And you're not there with nobody.
I'm not there with nobody. A single
Make
child
how am I
now.
going to use you?
Make your money, people.
Okay. Get up. Pick up on yourself.
Allah ya tell. Boom, mama.
What going people? Pick up on yourself again. I'm in a nigger town just before lockdown. Police them make them presents. Police them make them presents felt over there. So no can look what going on in nigger town at the meantime. What really are going is that yeah people town busy. Everybody I try going before the lockdown, so I like going to rush our business. But really and truly, when I do down here, so is I catch up with Richie because I do some filming at the town. So I'm going to look see what I'm going with them new Black Magic 6K Pro stuff. How that look? Cameraman, what you do? You don't see a lockdown time I come?
It doesn't matter, we still have to work.
Police them down there say, you know.
I say higher powers to be there, alright, and well fed, you know, so we have to feed ourselves.
Alright, Mr. Brown. So it look like I beg your pardon, miss? No, we are film.
Why?
Them are the movie. So if you go up on Richard Brown films on your phone, you will see it. No, serious. Like movies, Jamaican movies. Yeah. So, boss over there, so they all look like a brown man and the other girl in my films, them.
Not really go on, so nobody will hand anymore?
No?
And I think said nobody don't go on. But don't look weird and it's sun hot with this.
Yeah.
Like some mad people.
Go on, come here, what do you I may ask her why she have on weed and it's a sun hot there, you know.
So Richie, you're not afraid like you have on your mask or nothing?
Mask, yeah, I'm afraid of what?
Eh?
COVID.
Amount of people are there now.
COVID. Listen, you know.
I joke, my mask not carry, I go for mask.
My mask not carry, but you know people.
Let me go for. No, I'm not unroll, I put on the mask. Rest your camera. Mr. Lawrence now and roll. But I might not hear me too clear now, but hello. Police and still the boat, please. Well, ask him about the camera and how it works. Oh, man. What go on, my boss? Yeah, we're finding out about the camera. So, that's in the camera. We have no movies yet. We can look on that
No, this is the first one we actually have a shoot. We need some more patches, so we can have technical time with it, but I use it to shoot that one, the first one.
Alright, so what experience using the camera?
It's nice. It really feels like when you have a brand new toy,
Yeah.
you can play with, feel good.
Yeah.
So long to take a change, man.
This sun red down here, people, so don't let come down here without a bucket of water. Hot and miserable. One bag of lockdown business. What you mean, Andrew? Go and do it. So, Mr. Brown, meanwhile, we're going to wait for the actress for change. Tell what go on. What kind of movie this you shoot?
Well, I think it's one of them typical Caribbean type story, you know, of struggle.
Okay.
You know, of one, a struggle from a female perspective in terms of all the abuse and family struggle we then go through.
Oh.
So it's a story based upon that, and I think it's very relatable. A lot of females who've been through the same situation now can relate to it.
Okay. Alright, so I hear that. Go and look forward to that movie.
How long should take for change on the shirt?
I don't know. I wait for actions for change, people. No, sir. A while ago, I see her kick up her foot them in the ear. She did this change, people. Watch him a ball out to me for top video. And I probably can't see her friends. So I'm zoom some more, see if I can see. So,
Yeah, it's here. Right your mouth.
you know, forward. The favor massacre like. Whoa. Hey, my friend. You can't vex with me, you know. I feel me how you plan my infringe pan in mama. You're going like say, oh, I me do the thing. I don't me do it, man. Days and face. Come hurry up the people, I'm sure. She wanna go take pictures for the beach, people. Fret, you. So we have followed them. Anywhere they ain't go with them, I go with them.
I went through my.
Oh, right, I can't go in and people in film.
Hold on, don't walk up your neck. Hold on. Should I use to them? Them love it over so.
You say people nowadays no hug up. No hold hand and hug up. We get a look on the 6K screen here, people. If we can make out nothing on it. I can't see nothing from here, so.
Come like, put it over now and hold on. You say you're not used to them hold hands. A basic school people hold on?
Should I get a look on the screen? Alright, so your town still people well busy. That I go on in the girl town, huh?
Alright, we are putting that again. Where are the parts? Where are the stop? Where are the stop? Come back again, man. You don't want to stop for.
What you understand?
You don't want to mask. You don't want to mask. You don't want to mask. I look at the man here for the number one.
You have to call the people in brown man, you don't call them.
Here for the number, brother. More than number on them phone. What's it Ackeen?
I'm come out the people I'm seeing. Video. Mama, smile.
Alright. Don't mind me getting them money out by that. I want to do that. Come here. Ready?
Hey, you will take this up?
No. Come on, Master.
Blood cloud.
No, Master, I'm here.
Height me a van.
No, more than one Master, I'm here.
John was star.
Oh, dear, hot like a fire, brother.
So, as you can see people, this one I deal with me one way. One time I can walk over so. Nice still.
I'm fully protected.
A vaccine you have to take. Why name of that cake place, Richie?
I don't know.
OMG.
OMG?
Oh my God.
Yeah, so people with the inside of this pastry place named OMG Negri. So, Mr. Hoden, a black forest this?
This one? Black forest.
How much you slice of black forest?
500.
Oh, yeah, but cake or ice cream?
Yeah, black forest.
Well, bird cheese.
Hey, no. I want to get every mess up on for do over this scene. So I'm going to feed him ice cream or what?
No, change out.
Hold on, me. I want to know what bird feeding or
No,
what.
it's a regular feeding. We're not over it.
And that means saying.
No.
Me can't ask question.
It sounds like fire.
Don't do that. Come on.
So we're looking at this first?
Yeah, we're looking at it. And then probably find for one.
Yeah, that means.
Yeah, but step forward. You step forward. Right, stay aside.
Okay, blue nose people.
Point forward, ready?
Miss, how much you black first?
Black forest cheesecake is 520.
Come on, good man. We're not some chatting. Where's my...
What is this? Is it good?
Yeah, you're good. Alright.
The one outside the good too?
Yeah, I'm just getting out. I walk and I walk.
What you mean, brown man?
Go where are you?
Get your wife your black forest cake.
I don't need no party.
Black forest cheese or black forest?
Black forest cheese.
Black forest cheese.
Cheese.
Please.
Me say, after me make my plans and me I go on beach go take picture.
Me did tell them already.
This Rasta man come talk with us we are gonna shoot video. And that never in my vocabulary, in my
So when I come up the stair right there and talk now?
I don't want to come up in my face.
But if I come up, it's in your face.
Alright, go man. You just catch your hand. You know, catch your face now. Yeah, man? Unless you want.
Nothing.
Okay.
You know just like three of them, mom.
You're afraid of camera, you're running for the camera, brother.
She don't want famous.
Go man. Have the money on and push it here. Take out your hand. Take out your hand. Don't tell me.
Don't think that.
Put the money here. Put the money here. What are you going to put the gear on the door?
No, shower, she
That's
nervous.
good, that's good. Where's the cake? Where's the cake? Cake, where is
Where's
the
the
cake?
queue? One moment, please. Here you go, sir. Gentlemen.
One stop right.
What's that thing there, miss?
What?
Is it that oven?
Yes, it is.
No, it's an oven.
Come on. You stand right and say, give this song. We'll sing it. Alright, you ready for getting it now? Hey! The cake mix already.
Put me away, you see that?
May I dance some?
No, sir.
Oh, can I dance so loud?
See that? Oatmeal raisin. I got the oatmeal, yeah?
Here you go.
These things here.
Alright, so let's go kitchen off. So when you come out, you just go so. Here. When you come out, you go so.
Pretty piece of corona. Yo, and I think them will never get old to me people. I like when, you know, normal people, because if you're not creative, you're normal to me. My opinion. When normal people walk and pass and just them look one kind of way. And then I just hear one old man over there, so I cuss. Say, oh, you don't know what them money are doing in camera. Andrew.
Yeah, me already, my dance machine made. Ready?
Andrew, Mr. Brown, say.
Because she don't use it, we don't got it open door for her.
No, I didn't leave any cookies.
How me not catch that? Hey, look up ahead.
Come back, man. Chop. The bro man up in the video and lick up, come back. Alright, ready? Ready?
Yeah, police, them are coming up. The police officers are coming. So, me a scoot. You see me? Can't take no longer further now.
Alright, ready? Go on the bike. My father lens dirty. Yeah. How much that here? One? So you have to put some money in there.
Yo, give me a piece of that black pepper and a black pepper, sir. Come on.
Black pepper. Would I burn a king size as well? No,
Promise a burger. Like me,
if you are orange, you can't go boom, girlie.
Jean asked me.
Yes, no, I'm
So people look like I this for the shoot, this for the behind the scenes as well. Yeah, I bought it that. So I guess I just some like a miscellaneous around the town, the busy town and all that.
Where bus then? Where bus then? Yeah, sure. My taxi business is rough.
Yo, we're going to have it tell you. I'm going to go and go to a nigga spot there, you know.
Alright, where you have to do, man?
That's good, though.
Shoot me and shoot. I work going, yeah. Yes, sir.
Why the old school, though?
Yeah. The thing is a little bit smaller, though.
But the quality terrible.
Yeah, man, the quality nice, man. Especially for edit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bad man.
You look, put that camera up on fear.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Fight, you gonna fight me. Massacre little sister.
You lick out there already, you know?
The man gonna lick out there, though.
But I better take a camera out of my face. You go broke it out there.
I feel like I'm war if a man box my DSLR out of my hand. If I not point to funny man, you want war me. Would I fight?
The brown man can't walk, come on there. And the Becky and the bully and the cat.
Alright, so when you go over there, start filming them, you don't want 15 minutes out of my phone out of it, you know.
Yes, I know, Mr. Brown.
I'll tell someone you want 15 minutes with my phone, BTS, I'm done.
Oh, the bad iPhone. Oh, yeah, pose up and I'll do.
We still have the camera in my face.
Take off, stop touch my lens now. I hear dirty up your lens, you know. Tell like a mag about it. We're up on the beach now, people, but I don't think I'm going to do much recording because we have music playing in the background. I don't want that video to get demonetized. And then the wind sound, I know it's the wind from the breeze, fully for distortion. So probably just make this in a B-roll, like just B-roll everything here. So visuals and music, probably. This is what we're going. No, I want to call. No.
Oh, tap, hold on.
My friend said, you can't see the water too long, you know.
only upper body me I say. I'm not show them nothing.
I'm gonna be don't video me. Come out of my face.
Say you love walk up in the camera, say man. Watch him. Alright, so that's how them do the shooting.
Send me the police if I'm business with nothing. No, that's what I think the minute say. When they put me the police and how my mindset stay. Come my girl. I don't care about nothing. People are out in a curfew and do them up.
Yeah, brother, sing me girl.
Alright, so get up on costume.
No, girl, I'm too heavy for you.
Wait. Stay almost. Stay. You see, like. The camera I'm gonna go on. Chop. Take too long to start.
Oh, so then 6K Pro, yeah.
Alright, so this is a camera enough to run and gun at you.
May I say this camera was made, I hope you plan for third man.
Production camera.
Yeah, long before you turn on, you have to plan for turn on.
Yeah man, it's a production camera, it's not a run and gun camera.
This camera is not, don't waste my time. Make sure you know you want to shoot.
I'm going to buy one next year. These are the serious project. I don't like the fact that Johnny man take out and all the
No, here we go.
Can sit down too much.
Hold on. We take up Alton style. How we do? Must have everything?
Yeah.
Take up Alton dirty style.
So walk out traffic when I'm body.
When you man shoot with them. Right now, and action. It's like when I have the police at the chance on Richard run to the hat.
Yeah.
I like when I whisper in her ears and she smiles. Go on, tell me. I don't know what you tell us.
But I don't like hair. I'm like hair Wally.
See me, man. Yeah.
That's worse.
Alright, so I'm want to do is right with that sunlight and down the sun, put on the side, two on the wall hand and face each other. And get close. What? Yeah, go on down the sun now.
What is? Is it Shakespeare?
Might as well. Come, go down there. What is this Shakespeare? You want a stone? What if this is Shakespeare?
Yeah, you got to share my
If you want to walk and shake your ass, you just back right up on him back.
And that man, them too.
Give me right after here. But I need that one, but you lift her up, like so. You want to lift up there? Yeah.
I'm ready.
Come on, go on. Yeah, spin her. Alright, what do you mean? Yeah. Alright,
Let's take him and dash him in the water now. Let's dash him off in the water.
Put him in the water, son. Don't throw him in the water. Can't find him for your back.
Brown man come like him free the water. Saying can't go in the water. What? Where's it? My hair spread no room.
Alright, good, that's good. Alright, if you're going in the water, go in the water. Hey, car don't lift up nothing there, car?
Nope.
Push up here.
Nothing there.
Yo, if you're going in the water, go in the water and then no, we can ready and go.
I go and wait for now to say, man. Later. Bye. Bye.
Oh, Dad. The other girl. Bad.
Oh, we never go in.
Top curious. Top. Go wide out and you can start using it. Go wide. Stay on the same side next to it. Ready?
Understand the first leg, I understand what she do. She feel have a next man. Where should that be a softer man. That be like blacks. So she call the blacks, blacks I take the fall. When they go down.
Oh, so it's like blacks?
Yes. So if you go show say an ex-boyfriend or somebody.
So we talk about that today?
Yeah man, so in the meantime while you do this, we go to the next part. So just do your part. And then when them ask some question, just them say, are you X? And then we give them an X number, then we check your X and investigation, we check your X and find it. And if an X will have so the weapon plan him. Because we will kill him or kill him.
Alright, we know where I was.
Choo.
We know where I was. We're walking.
We know we're walking. No, we're walking. I mean, you let me know.
So we're going to see what come with this?
Ready. Walking.
Where man there?
I'm gonna still there.
Okay, move. Yo,
Come on, move.
and my eyes are deep or something.
Move about the front so I'll try.
No, move this one. Definitely. This is more important for
Where
me.
man there? Let me know. Where man there?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go see that this morning.
Alright, and you get the insurance paper signed?
Yeah, I can do it this morning, so.
Alright, so you know the next day they were out, right?
Well, get rid of him.
Alright, so here, once you get rid of him, we just all make it look like it's a robbery gone wrong, see?
Not a robbery.
Then no rob him. No rob, no say.
No, we said robbery or something, but we test the X. So to test the X, you can't robbery again.
You mean X?
But you
X
got to
robbery.
say robbery.
No, the
I'm
X.
not born an X.
No man, he said X, but I thought two different stories. Me I try to just.
Mr. Chu, no, the time we have to change it.
No, I understand what you said, but you tell me
time I
something
crunch
first.
for me, I have to change it, the story. So me I say no. Still go is the X. The X is the fall guy. That's in my book. Is that right?
Okay, alright.
The X are the fall guy. So you go have somebody where you play with.
Shoot for the next angle out and come.
Go use team for that. Malachi.
For the X? Alright, go up to next one. It's so important why X?
Yeah.
I'm not so cut down.
I'm going to do.
Leave me out of this. Leave me out of this.
Right, tell me again. Ready?
And action, guys. Action.
Tell me ready. Ready. So where the man there?
I'm going to pursue it this morning.
Alright. So you get him to sign the paper yet?
Yep. Wasn't hard.
Alright, so you know what the next step, right?
Yeah. Better.
Alright, so here we're going to do it. Good. Here we're going to do it. I'm X, right? Yeah. Here we're going to do it. No, sorry, guys. Here we're going to do it. Talk about it. Where are you going?
Nice.
Talk move over back there, first.
Need some rubber spoon, man.
Alright. Alright, so here we're going to do it. You see your X? Just so make it look like, say, him do the murder. Just set it in our way. We'll ensure, say, you leave One supermarket, set it up, make sure it's dead. By the time you come back, you call police, say, I'm dead. So once that happens, but that's one convincing, come back again. But that's one convincing.
How do you do that?
So like that, so what?
You guys can
Cut down, come back. Delete all. Alright, so here we are. You see your X? Reckon you see your X? Gotta make it look like him killing.
So like what that Monday?
No, man, you don't have to talk back to you, man. We'll make it easy and simple. We just make you just leave, go supermarket, by the time you come back, and you come back and see him dead.
Alright.
Yeah. And what we're gonna do now, we just set it, make it look like say your ex speed.
So how we are gonna do that?
Once you come back, come find him dead, just call the police. Once you call the police, you just tell them, say, yo, your ex always a threaten you. And say, I'll kill you and the new one.
That sounds like a plan.
Come on, and catch your sign. So I want to cut back half food. But she doesn't not much. Alright, just get your face and then stick up something. Get your face. Then she can respond. Ready?
Ready. Just start looking at me.
Yeah, man, right now. So here we are. We're going to make it easy. We're going to set it up, make it look like your ex killing.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah, ask me to say that. Alright, so we're going to set it up, make it look like that's very.
I can there people. So come on.
No, I'm because I
know. What do you mean? Say it out of the blue. What are you freak?
Alright, ready again now? Ready?
You trailer.
What's that? Be a trailer and excuse. Yes, I had the poop. I had some snort.
Ready? So, here we go. I'm going to set it up, make it look like your ex killing.
That doesn't sound bad. What do we do that?
Alright. No, you don't have to talk about team. You just left the supermarket. By the time you come back, you find him body. You find him body now, you just call the police and tell them, say, your ex always a threaten you, and you come back and find your boyfriend dead.
So they're not gonna ask the proof.
Well, we don't tell you, we just set it, make it look like a him. Whatever weapon we use to kill him, we just plant it by your ex.
Alright. I can.
Also, oh, wait. Say sunshine,
Candy the march about. So hold on there, what the pants are sitting now?
Where?
Oh, I think I don't answer the target sign now.
So look for me to come down there.
Alright, yeah, not ahead.
So we're gonna do that.
Alright, anything else we've covered in our conversation? Or you're done?
There's something I can conversation. We want to speak with it, and we can't wear that. Yeah, the call back. The call back will help. No, like, instead of. Because phone can't do a bag of things, you know. Take a different phone, call the ex. Bammy ex, say, oh, come back. You know what I mean? From my phone. So if the ex a call back from a female phone, it show connection.
So your ex in a car.
Yes, it's there calling. You know, get no calls and the jealous, you got build up the case.
So you just want to say in calling.
Yeah, just want to say call, but you know, when you call it, you can call from your phone to say you're ready. You know what I mean? You call from your phone. Yo, hello.
I'm not a murder.
Come up on my phone now. Bam.
Oh, so shoot, she has said that?
Yeah, come up on my phone. So next I call him up, you don't answer. No answer, not that. You know what I mean? So
my ex possessive.
So,
And we can do make you look more powerful than that.
through the story.
Actually, calling ex tell him say, come and look for me, man.
No, man.
Then when he
that's
come look for you, he start, she start cuss him, say, me tell you so Ray. And record it. Set up in camp phone to record it to make you look more powerful as evidence. You see
Yeah,
that?
you can't get to that night, like, no, I said, catch you down in night town or whatever, what the place say. We don't want you, this and that, and if you react. Like when I'm dumping, just catch a reaction on him. You know what I mean?
But I'm an ex. I'm never dumping. I'm never dumping.
No, like the first part of the movie that explains the party. But you never time to shoot that first party. So now we usually have different characters to kind of showcase it. You're going to find the first husband body find dead. You're going to see the police lock up the ex. You understand? And the ex will say, no, when they lock up the ex and not in love with that girl, and something like that. Yeah, the one time, but I'm not really woman I really love. You know what I mean? But I owe them to stage the whole event. You come in here, you have your targets, you know, side. B is the target. We have the money. You go work with C. You know what I mean? So you can see a road on the place. But at the end of the day, you don't really want to see, but C go be an alibi or whatever. I go be the fall person. So see the fall person. So you flex with him, but you don't want to bam. But you have to be someone category but not have nothing at all. So in camp, defending himself will get no liar and no investigation. And the case goes so bulletproof because we go try to deal the things that wrong. Because while even the man we're there with now, the new man, go
Been through the worst, to get some of the best. Hey, my man, your power, she want one for you. Yo, get light from coming and wash one of the place. Probably has something bad happened. My name, COVID done there. Eh? One place. Yes, sir. And if you go
and go short you out.
Alright, thanks. Sleeping on the class is never interesting. Worse.
What? Yeah, man, you must have. Now, I say to me, yo, it's out. And I see a board there, man. Put it board. Ready? Yo. Hold on, I'm checking. Yeah, man, me a hear. Me a like echo. Alright, thank you. Hold on. Alright, good. You watch the thing, man? What you gonna see? Oh, you don't watch it on YouTube? Richard Brown Films, man. On YouTube. Yeah. Films, Paradise Nation. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's Jamaican movies, man. The whole of all of
Yeah, we don't hear that on the wrong side now.
No, I understand when you're spending your own money. I really endorse that. You're spending a lot of money on yourself. It's your money. But if me and you dead, not my money.
Well, that's why what?
Walk where you want.
Okay.
Independent girl.
That's good.
But Richie,
Independent, you know.
but yes, the thing is, me I think about the kind of benefits that come with spending that kind of money on a girl. I mean, there has to be some kind of benefits that a normal girl couldn't get. She can't tell all about it. No, not crutches, no. Well, that too, but.
No, it depends on how you treat your woman.
Richie, if you have a girl like that there and the pussy good, you get good eggs, you get good treatment.
No, I don't have a problem. If no picking and come from her, that is not a benefit. A chance is a benefit.
Come, curious want to close the movie. Come, we'll close the movie.
I have no problem with.
Come, let us close the movie,
You're
guys.
just spending like a madman. That don't make no sense.
Let's go.
You go spend how much money for a woman like more from the God, you never get a picture
See when I come, me feel say, see when I come and spend for man, must spend for man.
Yes. Then that I say, think about
Yes, see when I come, see when I come and spend for me, I spend for me.
What I'm saying though,
Okay.
in this time and age, I think that none of them young girls have to learn to cook. That's $40,000 away I spend over time. I could take that money and cook and save out of it by 200 black. Put one side. You know,
I have my own place. I build my own place for me at 18.
Can't too much though. Build more place.
I build my own place for me at 18. I'm very comfortable.
Build more. No.
With my own money, no man money not in it.
Woman, it's better no man money in it.
Nope.
Right for man in it.
Come and say, oh, and me build Jade house, no Jade organization, no money.
No man cares about you.
Oh,
if you ride a white woman tomorrow, man,
my business, and me invest in my own money. Nope. Nope.
No
man money not in my house.
No man
not even black. Not even black.
Yeah,
and you know what I do? You see when me I build my place, I say single. Cause what? No man can say, oh, them put no money in my place. Cause no man can come knock for me door and come out.
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah, some man come to call live there and kick you out of your house.
You're crazy.
Pierre, hold on.
Kick you out of your house. You never buy a black thing like this.
You're crazy.
You don't have no resentment against man though.
James, you're
No.
Okay.
You wonder if you have
Cause them not
what are you in the backside?
No man can put them from I can't put from me. I can't box no after that.
You want millions and
Right now, I'm over there.
put
some money in it. Nope. If
you marry that man, no.
Why Richie not depend that still enough? Richie want to build a house.
Last time I run down marriage.
But I'm telling you, I think it's funny enough, to know that at the end of the day, still, people, I just think so we can get
independent.
your run down.
No man.
But like a girl, they can't be
And one thing with me, you see if you go and say, oh, because you have your money, you can chat to me certain way, you can fuck you and your money. Guess what? You can do for myself.
Fuck you and your money.
Right?
One thing.
Anything you can do for me, I can do for myself.
One thing we know say no.
Imagine the nice stadium. Imagine the nice stadium. She's stadium.
When someone they want some people have real money, then different.
Fuck you and your money.
Like, I'm not judge somebody, but if they want some real money, I'm not figure this them though.
What you say?
Some people have the real money and not this them.
You're not at all.
You don't know me.
If me and my woman right, I take back money and my foot, me have hold on.
Take my money and you take your put you.
So all in two, me say more put in that shit.
You cannot share one thick kind of share. You have to cancel your time. That's it, take your money.
What you say?
What's a man?
You're not taking your put on that one side.
Smart.
So lick me with one more.
My sugar, when time me left my sugar daddy spend one bag of money in my account and still never put him.
So you can send it back
I pay
again.
hundreds.
Me never send it, he send it in my account.
No, you should not send it back again.
Why?
I want to think you ain't independent.
Me independent, but me not like spend money.
Blow out the sugar daddy business.
What?
You have too much attitude to sugar daddy business.
Why?
Because sugar daddy will pay someone to deal you rough.
Yeah.
Come on. Ready?
Alright. Go.
You ready?
You can't listen to him.
Ready?